Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Pancit Guisado, a Filipino favorite, and how to make it right. Pancit Guisado is a staple in Filipino kitchens, a stir-fried noodle dish packed with flavor and tradition. It's often served at birthdays, family gatherings, and celebrations, symbolizing long life and good fortune. What makes it special is its versatility. You can load it with vegetables, meat, or seafood, making it a crowd pleaser every time. This dish is more than just a meal, it's a taste of home for many Filipinos. The savory blend of garlic, soy sauce, and fresh ingredients creates a comforting bite that's hard to resist. Whether you're new to Filipino cooking or a seasoned pro, mastering Pancit Guisado is worth the effort. Let's break down how to make it right. The origins of Pancit Guisado. Pancit Guisado isn't just a dish, it's a story of cultural exchange. This beloved Filipino noodle stir-fry blends local flavors with centuries-old influences, creating something uniquely satisfying. Let's explore where it came from and how it adapts across the Philippines. Historical background. Pancit Guisado owes its roots to Chinese traders who brought noodles to the Philippines centuries ago. The word pancit itself comes from the Hokkien term pancit, meaning something conveniently cooked. Early versions were simple, noodles tossed with soy sauce, garlic, and whatever protein was available. Over time, Filipinos made it their own by adding local ingredients like calamansi juice, fish sauce, patis, and vibrant veggies. This dish became a celebration staple, especially at birthdays, where long noodles symbolize long life. The stir-fry method, quick and adaptable, fit perfectly into Filipino home cooking. Today, Pancit Guisado is a testament to how two cultures can create something greater than the sum of their parts. Regional variations. Just like adobo or sinigang, Pancit Guisado changes depending on where you are in the Philippines. Here's how different regions put their spin on it. Manila/Luzon often uses bihon, rice noodles with a mix of pork, chicken, shrimp, and colorful vegetables like carrots and cabbage. The sauce leans savory with a hint of sweetness from a chewit, annatto, oil. Visayas favors thicker noodles like Canton, egg noodles, and includes more seafood, reflecting the region's coastal abundance. Some versions add a splash of coconut milk for richness. Mindanao incorporates spicy flavors, with chili peppers or siling labuyo giving the dish a kick. Some cooks use malunggay, moringa, leaves for an earthy, nutritious twist. Each variation shows how Filipinos adapt recipes to local tastes and ingredients. Whether it's the noodles, the protein, or the seasoning, Pancit Guisado never fails to reflect the creativity of Filipino cooking. Key ingredients in Pancit Guisado. Every great Pancit Guisado starts with fresh, high-quality ingredients. The magic lies in the balance of textures and flavors: chewy noodles, savory meats, crisp vegetables, and a rich umami-packed sauce. Here's what goes into making this dish unforgettable. Rice noodles, the foundation. The star of Pancit Guisado is the rice noodle, usually bihon, thin rice sticks, or a mix of bihon and Canton, wheat-based egg noodles. Bihon soaks up flavors beautifully while staying light, while Canton adds a hearty bite. For best results, soak bihon briefly in warm water to soften, just until pliable, not mushy. Stir-fry noodles last to prevent overcooking. They should stay slightly springy. The right texture makes all the difference. Firm enough to hold their shape but tender enough to blend seamlessly with the other ingredients. Proteins and vegetables. Pancit Guisado thrives on variety. Traditional recipes often include proteins. chicken or pork. Sliced thin for quick cooking. Shrimp or tofu. Adds a seafood twist or plant-based option. Vegetables. Cabbage and carrots for crunch and sweetness. Bell peppers and green beans for color and freshness. Spring onions and garlic for aromatic depth. The combo is flexible, use what's fresh or available. The key is cutting everything evenly so each bite has a bit of everything. Seasonings and sauces. The flavor backbone comes from soy sauce for saltiness and depth. Oyster sauce for a sweet savory gloss. Achuet oil, optional, for color and a subtle earthiness. A splash of calamansi juice or fish sauce, patis, brightens the dish, while black pepper adds a hint of heat. The sauce should cling to the noodles without drowning them. Toss everything quickly over high heat to coat evenly. How to make pancit guisado. Pancit guisado comes together quickly once you've prepped your ingredients. The trick is balancing textures, keeping noodles springy, vegetables crisp, and proteins tender. Follow these steps for a dish that's flavorful but never soggy. Thanks for watching part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll finish up this delicious pancit guisado. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.